Some things just get on your wick, don't they? Don't watch this, it's not good for you. Oh, it's all gone dark. I was channel hopping, because I'm a channel hopper, and I came across this, which I'd forgotten existed. Strictly Dumb Prancing. This is close, in abysmal terms, close to the Eurovision Song Contest. It is total social engineering and mass hysteria. It's unbelievably bad. At least in the old days when it started, the sets were cheap, the desks were cheap, and it was on the verge of hysterically funny. But now this is just mind control. From the British Mind Control Corporation, of course, shouldn't be surprised at that. So I shall be tuning in to channel 82. Let me see if I can do this live. 82, and walking away from that absolute dross, which I think every human being should. Tragically, everybody else in the family is downstairs in the living room watching it, but there we go. Grumpy old man time. I suppose the mass hysteria thing might, for some, draw parallels with those very big rallies that took place in the sort of middle of the 20th century, which of course I wouldn't say, you know, it wouldn't be the kind of thing I would see parallels with. This programme makes those rallies look like an intellect fest, I think some people would say. I wouldn't, of course. That would be far too much for me. They're just, really, those rallies are just the beginning of this complete mind control mania. Of course, personally, I can't see those parallels because I'm too lovely. But yeah, it just gets a bit much, really, doesn't it? Constant mind control, and of course, constant social engineering, which is why I simply avoid them like the plague, except to get close-ups of people's mouths.